Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a VW Jetta TDI. First, gather your essential tools and supplies. You will need a new oil filter, a new drain plug washer, and about 4.5 to 5 liters of the correct synthetic engine oil. Also, have a drain pan, a 13mm wrench, and an oil filter wrench ready. Always ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands before working underneath. Once your vehicle is safely elevated, position your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using a 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let the old engine oil drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. This ensures maximum removal of contaminants. Now locate the oil filter housing, typically on top of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove it. Replace the old filter element and the 3 O-rings with new ones provided with your new filter. Lubricate the new O-rings with fresh oil before installation. Reinstall the housing, tightening it to 25 Newton meters. Finally, add about 4.5 to 5 liters of new synthetic oil. After adding the new oil, reinstall the drain plug with its new washer, tightening it to 30 Newton meters. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, checking carefully for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Turn off the engine, wait about 5 minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Top up if necessary. Remember to dispose of your old engine oil responsibly at an approved recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.